Let's talk about unsolicited referrals. Not the referrals that come from hounding your clients, those that you earn by treating people well. We all get the value of referrals. It's how we make decisions. For example, this morning, I needed an electrician at my house. What did I do? I walked down the hall and I asked Kevin, what electrician do you recommend? I got the phone number. We have an appointment set Monday. That's how we make decisions in our everyday lives, and it's how the affluent find financial advisors. When we look at our data on advisory practices, there's a wide gap in referral performance. About 22% of advisors generate between 0 and 2 referrals per year. Kind of sad. Roughly 55% sit in the middle, generating between 3 and 9. And then there's a smaller group, about 19%, who are generating 10 or more referrals every year. The question is, what are those generating 10 or more referrals doing differently? Our data shows they're doing 3 things really well. They exceed professional expectations, they connect beyond business, getting to know clients well personally, and they put their clients in situations where referrals come naturally. Let's break those down. It all starts with exceeding professional expectations. This is the baseline. You want people talking about you, but in a good way. Not that you're hard to get in touch with, not that you've made poor recommendations. We don't find this is what holds most advisors back, though. We all know advisors who do a good job, basically in their business, but don't get a lot of referrals. But if you're at all questioning this, it's time to get a little bit of feedback. Now, feedback does not happen at the end of a meeting where you're saying, anything we could be doing better? Because people don't give you a lot of feedback that way. Get really specific. Ask about your meeting frequency. Ask about your recent client event. Ask about things that can genuinely help your business get better, and do so not at the end of a meeting. Let's move on to the second component, the personal connection, which is a bigger opportunity for most financial advisors. We have studied this in a variety of ways, asking clients if they're friends with their advisor, asking clients if the relationship goes beyond business. The bottom line is clients who are friends of yours recommend you more often. They like you. They want to help your business grow. So what can you do about this? Take people to lunch, invite them to client events, take an interest in their lives, and be willing to share about yours. The tighter the connection, the more referrals that will flow. Finally, if you want to drive more referrals in your business, you'll need to spark some of these conversations between clients and their friends. You can do this in a couple of ways. The most straightforward is by asking them to connect you. Identify those in their network and ask them for a favor. Could you introduce me to these people? Whether it's in person or via email, this works. It's as simple as could be, but your clients are willing to make connections for you if you simply ask. The other way is by hosting more client events that are conducive to guests. So not a 50-person event or 100-person event, not a market update. We're talking about fun social events that might have 10 or 12 people. A night at the ballpark or the theater, something at your house via cooking class, things your clients are excited about and to which they might bring a buddy. The bottom line is, if you want to ramp up referrals, you've got to improve your business, you've got to befriend your clients, and you've got to put them in situations where referrals happen naturally. This is about building a business people want to talk about and giving them reasons to do it.